Are you looking for the best resin 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ANYCUBIC and ELEGOO 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, ANYCUBIC Resin 3D printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K 3D printer has a max print volume of 9.6 x 7.8 x 4.8 inches. The large volume can not only print multiple models at a time, effectively improve work efficiency, but also fully meet the needs of printing large size models. The 9.25 Resin 3D printer's 6K screen has 5760 x 3600 px, and ultra-high resolution brings vivid details. The life of the monochrome screen is 4x longer than that of the ordinary LCD screen. Added replaceable scratch-resistant film, which greatly reduces the damage rate of the LCD screen. The Photon Mono X 6K 3D printer with 40 bright LED lamp beads, the newly upgraded 40 LED matrix parallel UV light source. The strong light source distribution is more uniform, so that ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K 3D resin printer can quickly and accurately display the details of each part of the model, showing high-quality models. Fast LCD 3D printer using the industry-leading 6% light transmittance screen. The printer's fastest printing speed can reach 1's layer, which saves about half the time compared to ordinary 3D printers and effectively improves printing speed and efficiency. The power of the light source can be freely adjusted from 30% to 100% and supports printing of various types of resins. The UV power can be adjusted according to the characteristics of the resin to meet your more printing needs. Moderately reducing the power of the light source can also. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. ELEGOO Saturn 8K Resin 3D printer comes with a 10-inch monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 7680 x 4320 and ANSI resolution of 28.5 microns. You can print sharper models with ultra-fine detail and tight tolerances, only requiring 1 to 3's exposure time per layer. The scratch-resistant tempered glass above the LCD screen with 9H hardness has an excellent light transmission and screen protection. The Saturn 8K's build volume of 219 x 123 x 210 cubic millimeters gives you quite a bit more space for model printing creations with even better quality. Whether a large model or batch parts can be done in one go to improve your printing efficiency. The 28 LEDs matrix UV light source with a unique double convex lens designed to reduce light scattering and provide powerful light contrast, so that the light is vertically projected on the LCD screen at a smaller angle of 5 degrees, thereby improving printing accuracy and reducing tolerances for prototype print dimensions. The Z-axis is driven by a pair of linear rails with non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws for more stable and accurate motion. Sandblasted build plate has stronger adhesion during printing, and the PFA release liner, FEP 2.0, with less release tension for easier model removal. The USB-powered purifier with activated carbon absorbs and filters the unpleasant resin odor during operation to create a fresh printing environment. The heat dissipation system adopts double heat-conducting copper heat tubes for faster ventilation and heat dissipation. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K Resin 3D printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K 3D printer is equipped with a 9.25-inch monochrome screen, which is 138% larger than a normal 6-inch screen. The monochromatic screen lasts 4x longer than the RGB LCD screen, and a special replaceable scratch-resistant film is added above the screen to save your maintenance costs. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 6K Resin 3D printer can print up to 9.6 x 7.8 x 4.8 inches HWD. The large volume can print large size models or multiple models at one time, effectively improving your work efficiency. The Photon Mono X 6K LCD screen has a high resolution of 5760 x 3600 px and a contrast ratio of over 350, which can fully express the details of the character model's hair, fingers and so on. 40 bright LED lights arranged in a matrix provide intense and uniform exposure in each layer of print, improving print quality and accuracy. The max printing speed of ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X6K 3D printer is 3.15 in per hour. With a 6% light transmittance screen, the fastest printing speed of the printer can reach one's layer, saving you half of the time than other regular Resin 3D printer, and reduces costs. The UV lamp power adjustment range is 30% 100%, which can support the use of more types of resin printing materials to meet your more printing needs. In addition, adjusting the light power appropriately can extend the lifespan of both the screen and light significantly. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Premium 8K Resin 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Premium, designed with a 10-inch monochrome LCD screen with a 7680 x 4320 resolution and ANSI resolution of 28.514 m. respectively 216% and 40% higher than the Photon Mono 4K. The model's sharp corners and delicate edges are perfectly printed, revealing the beauty of sharper details. ANYCUBIC Light Turbo 2.0 light source of Photon M3 Premium provides the high light uniformity of the Cobb light source system, while eliminating stray light, creating a delicate and smooth model surface. With ANYCUBIC app, users can select models, slice online, print in one touch, and monitor printing progress with their smartphones. ANYCUBIC app, which allows you to print anywhere, anytime and feel the fun of realizing your creativity with just one touch, also comes with a practical help center. ANYCUBIC 8K Resin Printer adopts the ball screw double-threaded rods, offering even more lifting structural precision at 0.005 mm, half that of a regular T-shaped rod printer, significantly reducing the layer line effects. The double-threaded rods minimize the lifting resistance of the platform, while printing by adopting the rolling friction principle, making the printing speed max up to 95 mm per hour. The 3D printing size is 250 220 120 mm, HWD, and the maximum printing volume reaches 6.7 L, which provides the creator with more creative space while ensuring printing accuracy. Efficient and replaceable built-in. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 is equipped with a 9.14K plus large mono LCD screen with a resolution of 4096 x 2560, and a single pixel is able to reach 48.14 m, which is 4% higher than Photon Mono X, offering 3D printing enthusiasts a greater level of detail printing. Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer adopts ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source, which can project the UV light, both parallel and perpendicular to the LCD screen, providing a much more uniform light exposure, thus improving the quality of printed model. The use of dual linear guides on the 3D machine Z-axis can effectively reduce the risk of layer shifting. Plus, with palm clearance nut combined with a vibration absorption structure to ensure Z-axis operation accuracy and eliminate layer lines, making the appearance of the model more smooth. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 works well on Photon Workshop, Chichibox, Litchi etc. slicing software, and the wide compatibility respects your preferences. The 3D printing platform of Photon Mono X2 has a textured checkerboard pattern that greatly improves adhesion and print success rate. Easy to remove 3D models. Anti-scratch film can protect the LCD screen from resin.